Hello, we are back on this three-way train meet. The last video was pretty long, and I'm now starting it over. Well, more like doing a part 2. Enjoy the video. Did any of you hear that squeaking noise? I hear some strange squeaking noise. Probably the tracks. Wow, this is a long train. It's almost over, the three-way train meet. And we got a helicopter over here. This is probably the best rail fanning day I've had ever. Dumb Trump 2020. Someone doesn't like Trump. The NSF. That's the end of the three-way train meet. So after this train's gone, this next train is probably going to leave. This intermodal train on the high level. Then this train's probably going to leave. What a day. I'm going to pause the video for now because it's probably going to be boring for a few minutes. And see you soon. So this intermodal train on the high level, it's got a green signal over there. So it's going to move soon. I'm pretty sure this is going to get going soon. My battery level is running kind of low. So yeah, might have to cut this into a few different parts. Plus, this train's been making weird noises and going back and forth all over today, so I'm gonna stop this video for this part. See you in part 3.